Meaning of faithful.
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 Faithful. The term faithful refers to displaying consistent and unwavering loyalty and support towards a person, belief, or cause. A faithful individual is someone who is committed, dedicated, and trustworthy in their actions, words, and beliefs. This can pertain to one's religious or spiritual commitments, personal relationships, or professional obligations. A faithful person is reliable, honest, and true to their word, and they prioritize maintaining their integrity. Ultimately, being faithful requires a sense of devotion and steadfastness, and it often involves sacrificing personal desires or interests for the sake of something larger than oneself.